The milling last night took about 4 hours, from roughly 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., and was done in 3 stages with dump truck runs in between. They had a queue of dump trucks from Kingston, town of Esopus at least, if not other municipalities. They still have to clean up the surface with that brush machine. Notice this pile of asphalt, ground up asphalt over here. The machine ran over some of my errant cactuses that were dipping over into the street. And here's the brush machine. Oh, there are the lights. I guess they're gonna leave the lights here because they'll probably pave at night as well, with the other fancy machine that lays down the ribbon of asphalt. So they said they were going to give us 3 inches of curb back, and son of a gun, they gave us 3 inches of curb back. Look at that. Hasn't been seen in 50 years. And they had to raise the machine for all of these things, like this water valve cover and the manholes in the middle, because the road will now be properly crowned so that the manhole covers in the center are at the right height. This will have to be lowered. So far, beautiful job.